Sa'yo, bakit ka sumali?
Kasi po masaya po.
A simple and honest answer. Of course. Judges! Mukhang nahihirapan ng judges mag-isip ng tanong. Sir Jojo, baka may gusto kayo
Any
itanong.
questions?
Oo. Bakit may pakpaki ang karakter mo?
Pas.
Bakit may pakpak yung character mo? Why does your character have wings? Masyado mahirap ata, Sir Polly.
Papatawa lang. Alam mo.
Okay. Alright, judges.
Anong character siya ulit?
Sailor Chibi Chibi.
Sailor Chibi. Okay. Kaano-ano niya si Sailor Moon?
Let's try that question. Alright. So, okay, we'll just skip the question.
Ilang taon ka na? How old are you?
4 po.
4. Oh,
She's 4!
She's 4.
Mahilig ka sa Sailor Moon?
Opo.
Oh, okay. So, let's go with the final pose.
thank you.
Final pose. Let's give it up for Sailor Chibi Chibi, our youngest cosplayer today.
Thank
So
you,
far,
Zai
yeah.
Zai.
No, just for today. There was a... Ay, may 3 years old pala kanina.
May 3 years old kanina.
Alright. It's another Chibi cosplayer. Another...
Alright.
Alright.
What's your name?
Ano daw? Ano name mo? Chaozu daw. Yung character to ah.
I think he's still shy. Or maybe it's because of me.
Maybe it's
he's
you.
still scared.
Kozi, ikaw mag-question.
Season. Walang season.
Ay,
Add cheeks.
naman daya talaga oh. Pag ako nag-interview,
Alright.
wala.
So, why did you join? Ba't ka sumali?
Kasi po si Chaozu.
Cute si Chaozu? Tama ba narinig ko? Cute daw. Judges!
Judges! Simon!
Tinatakot mo, Polly.
Huwag mong takutin nga. Tama naman.
Ano yung power niya? Ano yung power ni Chaozu?
Dalawang ring.
Yan ang nakakatawa sa child cosplayers. You see a lot of them. They're cute. Very cute.
Okay.
Alright, Chaozu, sige, final pose na tayo.
At least they're spontaneous.
Kozi?
Okay.
Alright. Alright, let's move on. Cosplayer number 9.